better. I should probably go to the. Hold on. Baby, I'll be sitting here waiting on you to come home again. I won't leave. Promise I'll be here till the very end. By your side. To catch you and to love you and to be with you for life. Come on. Well, let me say that. Shut up, Dad, you just messed up the whole thing. Come on home to me, darling. Oh no, I should say Zachy. Okay, come on home to me, Zachy. Don't even make no face. No, okay, I guess I'm done now.